In today's video, we're going to take a look at the count command which Autodesk introduced into AutoCAD 2022. Now, this is a great feature when you are looking at, taking a look at sort of blocks that you've introduced into your drawing and you just want to get a quick count out of it. Previously, what you'd have to do if you wanted to do a count of it, you'd go to the data extraction, which is quite a tedious process if you've ever done that before. So to activate the count command, I'm going to go and type in count, or type in count, and for that I want to choose everything. So I'm going to press enter, and then I want to choose all the blocks, so I press enter again. Okay, now what has happened over years that I've previously experienced I've previously selected just this small area over here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it, and so that includes all the blocks that I've got, and you'll see there it's actually updated to 10, 8, and 12. So if I grab this over here, drag it back, let's do it over here so it doesn't snap to anything, stop snapping, and you'll see there's 3, 3, and 3. Okay, so now what happens is if I select that tick, it'll tell me there's my 10, 8, and 2. Now what can we do with this? If I select this, the aluminium window, you'll see it'll highlight all the windows in the window, in the drawing window. And what I can do is I can zoom in to each one by clicking on these arrows over here. Okay. Once I'm done with that, click on OK, zoom out, and there we go. So select it again. There it selects that, my door metric and my door elevation. Okay, now if I click on the drop down over here, you'll see there this door is open by 30 degrees. So that's one of the configurations that the block has got. Okay, if I right click on any of these, you'll see I've got a couple of options. So review count, details, insert count field, layer, scale, mirror state, door size, hinge, opening angle, swing, or wall thickness. If I do swing, you'll see there it's 0. Okay. If I do wall thickness, it tells me that it's 100. So it is adding different sort of information into the name as it goes along over here. Okay, so you can just see exactly what you'd like to see over there. Okay. Same with aluminium door. Now, if I right click on the window, you'll see I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because those are the only real differential options that I have got. So mirror state, window height, and window width in this over here. So you'll see there that it's a little bit different to the door. The door is a lot more. So the door in its dynamic state has got things like mirror, door size, hinge, open angle, swing, and wall thickness that you can change to go and create this dynamic block over here. Okay, so that's a quick and easy way just to go see what what's sort of happening over here. If I go and review it, you'll see there it'll elevate it, it'll highlight it, give it a number 10. Go back to my list, it shows me everything again. Now, one of the things that we could do in the data extraction is that we could get a table out of it, and that is very, very easy here. So at the bottom on the right hand corner over here, I can just say create table, and then it asks me what do you want to create a table of. So it's either everything or just one, the window or the door elevation, the door metric. Once that's done, I just click on insert, and then I can go insert it over here. Okay, so, and there we go. And this is a normal sort of a normal table that we've got over here. The name of the item plus the count over here. I can still go and right click and insert a column to the right maybe, and then I can go type in your units. Okay, and then have the amount of units here, if it's millimeters or inches, whatever it is that you want to, or maybe a cost, cost of unit. That's probably a better one over there. Cost of units. Okay, so there you can see, just like in Excel, we can add columns, we can sort of put our own information in over there, but the most important thing is this count over here, this 10, 8, and 12. So 10, 8, and 12, I select this, go delete. You'll see then our aluminium window is 9. Okay, what does it say over here? It still says 10, so we need to just do a regen, and then it will change to 9. If I have to go add 1 and regen, it will go to 10 as well over there. So there we go. So the count command, just making it a little bit easier for us to be able to get a count of any blocks that we've got in here, and get our information out quicker for our downstream processes. Thanks very much for watching.